Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have item for vinyl collectors, the Altima Poly 100 vinyl record outer sleeves. If you're serious about preserving your LPs, especially those valuable gatefolds and double albums, stick around for a hands-on look at why these sleeves might be your next best investment. Alright, let's talk first impressions. The pack comes with 100 clear outer sleeves, each measuring exactly 12.75 by 12.75 inches. That's a very intentional size. It means a snug, clean fit for standard 12-inch LPs, including thicker gatefold or double records. No more overly loose sleeves or bending corners trying to cram them in. One thing that immediately stands out is the thickness. These are 3mm polyethylene, not too flimsy, not overly stiff. It's a sweet spot that gives you solid protection without making your records a pain to access. And the clarity? Beautiful. It doesn't cloud up the artwork at all. The covers stay vibrant and fully visible, which is a big win if you're the kind of collector who displays your vinyl. Compared to the typical 1.5 or 2mm sleeves on the market, the Altima Poly sleeves feel noticeably more premium. They hold their shape better, resist tearing, and offer actual archival grade protection. That means they're engineered for long-term storage without risking chemical reactions or moisture retention that could harm your covers over time. Let's also appreciate the details here: smooth edges, precise cuts, and just enough room to easily slide albums in without a fight. And you won't find those annoying jagged seams that can scratch or catch your record spines. It's that attention to design that makes handling your collection a more enjoyable, frustration-free process. Now, for collectors with larger libraries or resellers prepping inventory, the 100-pack bulk value is a big deal. You're getting a consistent, well-made product that doesn't compromise on quality just because it's sold in bulk. Whether you're upgrading old sleeves or building a collection from scratch, this is an efficient way to scale up without breaking the bank. To wrap it up, the Altima Poly 100 vinyl record sleeves offer a perfect blend of durability, clarity, and collector-friendly features. They're protective without being overbuilt, clear without being brittle, and generously sized without going floppy. Made in the USA, archival quality, and thoughtfully crafted, this is the kind of product that speaks to both casual listeners and die-hard vinyl heads. If you're looking for sleeves that preserve, protect, and present your collection the right way, these should be on your radar. Hit the link in the description if you want to check them out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on how you protect your own vinyl collection. Until next time, keep your records spinning and your gear clean. This is Product Critique. See you in the next review.